To discuss energy is stored in a parallel plate capacitor. The arrangement shown here is termed as parallel plate capacitor. It consists two conductors, one positively charged, another one negatively charged, separated at a small distance, and later on we discussed about it. The separation between the plates are denoted by a small d. Electric field between the plates is from positive to negative, and that is from left to right, denoted by vector E. If we want to calculate energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor, let initially the plates of capacitor are uncharged and B starts it charging by giving charge conductor 2 to conductor 1 in very small installment, say it is dq. हम सपोज करते हैं कि इनिशियली ये अनचार्ज है और हम इसको चार्ज सप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, और वो भी जो चार्ज सप्लाई करते हैं वो बहुत स्मॉल इंस्टॉलमेंट में, से इट इज dq from 2 to 1 till conductor 1 acquires positive charge q, and if conductor 1 acquires positive charge q, then due to conservation conductor 2 will acquire charge minus q. During charging, at every stage conductor 2 is at lower potential than conductor 1, that is conductor 1 is at higher potential than conductor 2, and in this way we have to do work in transferring the charge from conductor 2 to 1, and this small amount of work done by external agency is stored in the form of energy. The potential difference between the plates is given by V equal to Q by C. Q equal to CB, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैपेसिटर वाला फार्मूला है, तो वहां से B equal to Q by C. Let we want to find the potential at any instant when the charge at first conductor is small q. हम उस टाइम पर फाइंड कर रहे हैं जब ये कैपेसिटर अभी चार्जिंग के इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज पर है and it acquires charge plus q, then this potential will be equal to B equal to Q by C, and the small amount of work done in giving an additional charge dq to the conductor, say it is dw, then dw equal to V dq. A small amount of charge which we transfer from second to first conductor, that is installment in which capacitor plate is charging, and potential between the plates at any instant when conductor 1 attains charge q. Then a small amount of work done in delivering the charge from conductor 2 to conductor 1 is dw equal to V dq. Now dw equal to Q by C dq. This is equation 2. But here we want to find the work done in delivering the charge 0 to plus q from plate 2 to plate 1, and therefore it will be given as total work done W equal to integration of dw integration of Q by C dq from Q equal to 0 to Q equal to Q. Very beginning it was charge was 0, and finally it has value Q. Now W equal to 1 by c कांस्टेंट टर्म इंटीग्रेट करेंगे q स्क्वायर बाई 2 0 टू q लिमिट पुट करें 1 by c q स्क्वायर बाई 2 now w equal to q square by 2c and this work done is stored in the form of energy denoted by u. Now energy is stored in a parallel plate capacitor will be given as u equal to q square by 2c or another form of energy may be written as u equal to q square by 2c. This one was the original relation, but q equal to cv. On putting this in our equation, we have 1 by 2 c square v square by c. Now c cancel out, u equal to half cv square. If we put the value c equal to q by v or q equal to c equal to q by v in above equation or in this equation, then u equal to q square by 2c. Now c equal to q by v equal to q square by 2 q, c equal to q by v, q cancel, u equal to half qb. This is the three kinds of relation for energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor. If we plot a graph between charge and potential, then we find that it is of the type q b q proportional v और ये स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व होता है और इस ग्राफ से अगर अपने को एनर्जी फाइंड करनी हो तो हम इसके लिए एनर्जी स्टोर्ड U इक्वल टू ये राइट कर सकते हैं एरिया अंडर VQ ग्राफ. And now U equal to half QB. Q equal to CB. U equal to half CB स्क्वायर. C equal to Q by B. तो ये फार्मूला मिल जाएगा आपको ऊपर वाला Q by B और B equal to Q by C और on putting B equal to Q by C of Q by C, it comes out as Q square by 2C.